afternoon. I'm taking a day out of work today, heading for the Yorke Peninsula to Stansbury, which is on the Yorke. I've never been there before. I'm not even sure if we in the past went past it. I don't recall it. I think it was one of those you blink, you miss it. I should be there in about an hour, just past Port Wakefield. And my first trip out in Reggie this year, so I'm really looking forward to it, and just relaxing. It's Stansbury, tiny little place, quite nice. You can see the sea, which is great. Now just trying to find a campsite.
Turn left onto North Terrace, then turn left.
Apparently I'm turning left. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It seems we're off to the bowling club for dinner tonight, and then the pub tomorrow
In
night.
250 metres, turn left.
So not a lot of cooking going on this weekend. Got up nice and early today to see the sunrise, because I keep missing the sunsets. Speak to you later. I'm going to enjoy the sunrise. It's beautiful here. Campsite's lovely. Great location. Lots of pelicans. how far the water goes out with the tide. It's like a beautiful black pool. Out there you can't really see it, but they're a lot of black swans. It's great for the wildlife. The ladies have caught a few of those this weekend. It's a nice peaceful walk along the coast. Lots of birds. I suspect that when the tide comes back in, they'll be a lot closer to sea. It's a bit hard to take photos at such distance. I think the tide might be coming back in. A long way to come. The jetty over there. And that is the campsite.